Pero nyo kaya ito nagmana ng dance.
Malaki na yan eh.
Act like an angel just like crazy.
Alright, once again, it's a jolly, jolly happy new year to each and everyone. We are here to celebrate the birthday of, sabi-sabi natin palakpakan at diwaan, our birthday boy, none other than JB! Happy birthday to you! Alright, JB, better win than Shine. Brenda, also better win Brianna, and Rayman. Alright, and I'm your party host, Kuya Mato. For our last item is, everybody listen, dahil dito daw po nakalagay ang inyong address.
Ang alin, David? Ha?
Tapos kasali pala sa laro.
Bigyan mo po now.
Ayan, tag-isa na ulit sila.
Ayan, dalawa pa daw. Cheers!
Wala akong dala.
Oo, mama!
Okay, kaya mo po
Wala
now.
akong dala.
Bago ko po isakuli yung mga ID nyo. Ayan, thank you so much po muna.
Oh my
Baka
God.
ganun, nakakainis.
Yun
Wala lang, nanalo tayo.
Kuyomo.
Meron pa dyan yung kakanta ka ng parang yung ngongo.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Kaya yung sounds ng animal. Oo, ganun. Spaghetti. Spaghetti pa baba.
Happy birthday. Ang hirap naman nun.
Sige po, madali lang po yun. Tara na po. Ayan.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, thank you so much. You may go back to your seat. Pagpasensya nyo na po yung noodles, hindi pa po napapakuluan.
No.
Ay, no. Bakit matalo? Okay ka naman mag-get ready dahil kailangan mo naman po tapusin. By the way, kamusta pala yung pag-upo mo kanina doon sa balloon? Naramdaman ko yung buong turok. Okay, sige. Kailangan pa na tapusin ang kantang happy birthday song habang tumatawa.
Oh my God.
Baka mo lang yung mic. And 1, 2, 3, let's see.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wala pa tayo sa chorus, intro pala.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
The dreams you are loved. God bless you always. JB, now your first wish for JB is, JB, ikaw daw ay lumaking maging batang madasalin. At ano pa, magkaroon daw ng takot sa Diyos. At maging down to earth. Takpa naman natin si Hedy sa kanyang first wish for JB. And ang Hedy, your second wish for JB is, JB, ikaw daw ay lumaking maging batang mapera. At ano pa? Maging pusa. Maging, ano mo ulit. Maging, okay, maging mas burden. Script yun, hindi ko nabasa. At ano pa? Thank you so much, Hedy, for your second wish. Ano pa? At, maging mapagpilay daw po sa lahat.
Mamaya.
At, kay Hedy. Wow. Ba't kasama ka, Hedy? Yung dalawa ni Jollibee. Ay, ikaw lang.
Hindi ka grade 1.